I decided to show you this short video. I'm gonna show you how I connect this copper wire on this side, and then I will make a bend and connect it on this little guy right there. So check it out. Yeah, I need this fume extractor. Okay, I think I got it. There you go. Yeah, so it's connected on one end. Just give it a second. I like to put a little bit more solder to make sure there's good connection. Boom. See? So this is good. This is connected on one end, and now, oh, watch out, don't go crazy. Yeah, it's connected. Let me just yeah, you have to be careful here. I'll put the tape right there, and now I have to bend right there without damaging here anything, and cut. So bend, and cut, yeah, I don't really like that it's moving like this. Let's cut it right here. Boom. Hopefully it's not gonna move too fast. Okay, now I'm gonna put solder, and this one's gonna be a little bit harder, just because, let me just see if this holds. Just because there's a little bit of an angle here, and let me just see how I... Okay guys, I'm back now, and I was able to connect this end and this end. Now this one is very fragile connection, okay? It's only connected by this end and this end, and I'll show you that it's actually working good. So the customer have to be very careful when he installed it back, because if he snaps it, that's it. Okay, look, from this point to this point. See? Good connection. Good connection there, good connection there. Okay, this board is ready for shipment, and I got it all fixed up. And thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Take care.